welcome back to Mihinsara Tech, your go-to place to learn computer science the smart way. Today, we're diving into an essential topic in data structures, the tree terminology. If you heard words like root, leaf, node, or depth and wondered what they really mean, you're in the right place. So let's branch out into the world of trees. In computer science, a tree is a non-linear hierarchical data structure. It's made up of nodes and it's used to represent data with a parent-child relationship. Think of it as a family tree, but upside down. The root is on top and the branches grow downward. Now, there are a few core terms in a tree. Let's go over them one by one. Now, let's see what a node is. Each element in a tree is called a node. It contains data and links to other nodes. Every node can have 0 or more children. The root is the topmost node in a tree. It's the starting point. All other nodes descend from it. A tree can have only one root. Child and parent. A child is a node that descends from another node. The node it comes from is the parent. If node A points to node B, then A is B's parent and B is A's child. Siblings. Nodes that share the same parent are siblings. A leaf node is a node with no children and it's the end of a branch. An edge is a connection between a parent and a child node. If a tree has n nodes, it always has n-1 edges. A path is a sequence of nodes connected by edges. You follow the links from one node to another. Level. The level of a node is the number of edges from the root to that node. Root is at level 0. Its children are level 1. Their children are level 2 and so on. Height. The height of a tree is the longest path from the root to any leaf. It tells us how deep the tree goes. The depth of a node is the number of edges from the root to that node. So yes, depth and level are often used interchangeably. Subtree. Any node along with its descendants form a subtree. Even a single node can be considered as a subtree. Just to give a quick preview, there are many types of trees. Binary tree, binary search tree or BST, avial tree, heap, and B trees. We'll cover these in future videos, so don't forget to subscribe. Let's quickly recap what we learned today. Node is the basic unit of a tree. Root is the topmost node. Parent or child, relational terms. Leaf is a node with no children. Edge, level, height, or depth is a structural concept. Subtree is a part of the tree rooted at any node. These terms form the foundation of understanding trees in data structures. Once you're familiar with it, you're ready to move on to building and using different kind of trees in programming. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Mihinsara Tech for more awesome content on data structure and algorithms. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing. Bye for now. God bless and have a great day.